on In the Kitchen with Pete. We're transforming delicious stuffed peppers into a beautiful casserole. I think cooking can bring back fond memories for many of us. I remember my mom making stuffed peppers. They were delicious. But you know what? Always my favorite part was the top 2 inches of it. That delicious filling, the soft pepper, and that golden brown cheese on top. So I created a stuffed pepper casserole. It's simple, it's delicious, all those goodies on the top. You're gonna love it. Let's get to it. In a non-stick pan, we'll add a teaspoon of olive oil. We're on about a medium to high heat. We're going to add 1 white onion finely diced, 1 large green pepper finely diced, and 1 red pepper finely diced. Another little drizzle of olive oil on top. Stir that up. We'll add a little bit of salt, just a pinch to it. This will help draw out some of the moisture in all these vegetables. Now we're not looking to brown these, just soften them up. It'll take about 5 minutes. The vegetables have begun to soften up. Now we'll add 2 cloves of finely diced garlic. Stir that in. That'll take about 1 minute until we get all the beautiful aromatics from that garlic. Next is 1 pound of extra lean ground beef. I've shredded this up with my fingers in a bowl before I add it to my dish. I just find it's easier to blend it in better. Now let's add some seasonings. 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Now you notice I'm not adding any salt. We'll get to that in a minute. While continually stirring, we'll cook this until all the pink is gone in our ground beef. That'll only take about 5 minutes. Next we'll add 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. Stir that in well, and now we need 2 cups of rice. Now here's a time saver. Uncle Ben's has this already made rice. I'm using a Basmati rice. It's already cooked, and that gives you my 2 cups of rice. Now how easy was that? Simply mix that in well. And we talked about salt. We're going to add 1 ounce of soy sauce. This not only gives us our salt that we're looking for, but gives it some great flavor. Once that's all mixed up thoroughly, we're going to add 1 cup of fresh grated parmesan. The liquid in the bottom of the pan should be boiling at this point. You want to continue and cook that for 6 minutes to eliminate some of that moisture. Don't skip this part or you'll end up with a wet, soggy casserole. I have myself here a 9x13 lightly greased cooking dish. All the goodies go inside there, and now we'll add 2 cups of grated Italian mixed cheese. Spread the cheese evenly, cover it with tin foil, and into the oven 375 for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the tin foil, then back into the oven for at least 10 minutes until that cheese gets nice and golden brown. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Oh boy, that's exactly what I'm looking for. That nice golden brown. Oh, it's still bubbly. You're gonna love it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that little red subscribe button down below. You'll get notified every time I put out a new video. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya!